What's good? Welcome back to another vloggy. I'm so happy to be back for real now. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. Anyways, we're starting off this vlog with a little bit of run. All through the month of February, we're going to be running, doing the 10,000 steps. This is something that I usually do, but I stopped exercising for the longest of time. But that phase of our life is over. Throughout the year of 2025, we're going to be exercising in any way that we can, whether it's skipping, it's going to the gym, it's swimming, it's taking a walk. We're going to exercise every day. That's part of my 2025 New Year resolution. I know it's just February and most people tend to lose track of the New Year resolution at the beginning of the year, but I promise you, my year is just started in February. Literally, yesterday was the first time I went to church in a very long time, and yesterday was also the day that I restarted my healthy journey. My outfit is from Shein, and I've got this Nike legging. I'm wearing this ankle slide because my sneakers is downstairs. And guys, the funniest part of it all is this. I decided to use my son's fanny pack. It's this dinosaur. I also want to bring you guys with me, so I'm gonna put my camera in there. And guys, whether it's beige or not, it works. It's just very stable. I think we best start going. I don't want it to be really dark, because yesterday when I went on a run, there were dogs barking. I mean, all those dogs are caged, but I don't like it. I don't like dogs when they bark. So I got some chicken breast here. So I'm going to add my chicken breast in it. Normally I should cut this, but that's the work of the food processor, right? It's going to cut and mash everything into pieces. I'm gonna add some seasonings. I've just got garlic, thyme, curry, and no seasoning cube. Put it in. I'm gonna throw in some pepper, because this time around I want it a bit spicy. I'm also gonna throw in some onions and some carrots. I'm just going to pieces some carrots. Because I'm eating salad, I don't really have to put carrots, but I have a feeling that I would need to give the kids, since I'm making a big batch, right? Although this should finish in 3 days, because I need all the proteins I can get. So now it's time to grind this. This is what we have. Now this is the part where it gets messy, so you might want to take note of that. I like to sprinkle some oil on my pan and just rub it in like you're ever trying to play with something that you're not supposed to play with. Your child takes some moisturizer or one of your kitchen ingredients. Yeah. Now we have very oily Didi hands. Now we're going to make these into small balls. Okay, I like to play around it like this. That's first. Sometimes you just want to do it this way, and that's it. We have ourselves a round ball, and these are small ones, so you can see that we have a long way to go, guys. A very long way. You don't want to have big onions like this. You never know the one you're going to give your child. But I mean, if you're not making it for your child, there ain't nothing wrong with that. So you want to do this for the rest of the chicken balls. I made a very big batch the previous time, and they were much more bigger balls than this one. I think I was trying to hurry up with dinner, and I think I did rigatoni pasta with chicken balls. I posted it on Instagram, so if you're not following my Instagram page, please do. I have loads of recipe over there for you to watch, learn, and test out for yourself. So I did that last time, and it was a hit. I noticed that Ava really liked it, and I really hope that she likes this one as well, because the previous one I did not put carrots. But now that I'm changing the whole game, let's just hope. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I have some small balls right here.
Husband is doing everything, yeah.
Oh, please. I'd like to. So I think I'm just going to make this one like maybe a very big flat one that I can just put like in the middle of bread. So apprentice, make it fatter, please. Like a patty. Fat. Add more. Add more. No, baby, add
sexy.
more. What's what? Sexy about this? Add more. Like I need big. As big as that. Yes.
Okay, let me show you. I taught you that last time, Rabi.
Stop.
The hell. You say you want it flat.
To just lay a paper towel here. I really love how this turned out. I didn't want to make it too browny, just have like a little bit of brown, because to me it's pretty cute that way, but it's well done. So I'm just going to put them all here. This way it's easy to just grab and go. Hubby and I will have this for dinner. So hot. I'm going to store this in the fridge, but you can definitely store it in the fridge. All you have to do is line it up with some more paper towel or parchment paper. So it's more like you put like parchment paper, you put the chicken on top, another parchment paper, you put the chicken on top, and just stack it so it doesn't stick together. But this is going to finish within this week because I am eating everything every day, so it's probably gonna last for like 2 days.
Gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love.
So it's been a very long day. I have just been working my ass off. This week is like a very busy week for me. I have to like submit a whole lot of projects to various brands, and I need to submit them on time. I don't know why, but it's like all of them just said, you know what, this week, next week, Judith, we need so and so, and I'm like, huh, it's gonna cost you extra. But yeah, basically, because I mean, if I'm going to be working overtime, I might as well get paid for it, you know. Anywho, Apart from working, I didn't really do so much today. I just stayed at home all through on my laptop, and I'm just like taking a breather since morning. I really did not even cook today. I did like a very huge batch of stew last week, so that's actually what's holding us down. I did like stew and afang soup, so it's been holding us down for a long time. And obviously the stew is so sweet, so we're not even mad that we're having like repetition of meals, but that's because mommy doesn't have time. But I'll probably cook in my next vlog, to be honest. But right now, I think because we've been working since morning and Bea and I haven't really chilled, had time for each other. I also did not go for a walk. Oh my goodness. I also did not go for a walk because I was tired. At a point I had to like sleep a little bit, just like rest my head, because this brain needs some rest. Guys, I know I look a bit of a mess, not even a bit, a whole lot of mess. But by next week we're gonna get ourselves done. I was feeling a little bit peckish, so I was like, let me just make banana bread. So in my mind I want to make like, what is this? I remember when I was growing up, my mom used to say, why are you putting like a rubber band on your wrist? Like, take it off. And now, yeah, that's much better. I wanted to bake banana bread because it's been a very long time since I've baked one. But the banana bread I was talking about is oat banana bread because I'm on a healthy journey. But as soon as I said, I think I'm gonna go bake banana bread, my husband was like, yes, he thinks he's gonna eat it too. Like, who asked you? But obviously I'm gonna bake for him. And then Andrew and Eva were like, yeah, me too. So now everybody wants banana bread. So I guess my own feet farm is in the mud because we don't have so much bananas that I can make like two different types, like the oat one and then the normal flour one. So I guess I'm just gonna make a whole normal big old banana bread for everyone, and then we're just gonna eat that, probably with like some juice or some hot chocolate, whatever, like, I don't know, whichever one I'm feeling at the moment, because today I just want to like munch on things and keep working.
My business, humming a song. I'm happy by myself, not a care in the world. This is a life, just me, myself, and I am watching the clouds up in the sky, all but laughing out loud. I'm telling you why I'm living the life, just me, myself, and I think that life was cold and lonely when you up and left me, sadness overwhelming. Oh me, I am out and about, painting the town red, I'm coming around. There ain't no doubt about it, I'm no longer blue. So glad we are through, just me, myself, and I.
You want to take one?
Mommy, you are fighting me. You are fighting me.
Take one now. Andrew, blade to your mouth. If I take one. You like it? If I have this one. Have this one. You like it? You like it? It's a banana bread here. Add together your bed. Do you want to add to your bed?
No.
Cool. Very nice.